Good morning, students. How is everyone? I'm again with you with the beautiful story, A Triumph of Surgery. पिछले वीडियो में हमने देखा कि वो अमीर लेडी अपने डॉगी के लिए जब एग्स और वाइन देकर जाती थी तो नरेटर साहब का, जो कि एक डॉक्टर भी हैं, लंच बन गया सेरेमोनियल। ऐसा लंच डेली होने लगा जो जिंदगी में कभी कभार ही उन्होंने किया होगा बस। तो अब देखते हैं आगे। We could hardly believe it when the brandy came to put a final edge on Triky's constitution. For a few nights, the fine spirit was rolled around, inhaled, and reverently drunk. There were days of deep content, starting well with extra egg in the morning, improved and sustained by the midday wine, and finishing luxuriously round the fire with the brandy. It was a temptation to keep Triky on as a permanent guest, but I knew Mrs. Pumphrey was suffering, and after a fortnight felt compelled to phone and tell her that the little dog had recovered and was awaiting collection. So, boys and girls, the dog recovered fully. There was no need for the dog to be kept in the surgery now. But there was temptation in the mind of the doctor. See how luxurious it was. The day starting with eggs, the lunch being luxurious with the 2 glasses of wine, and then of course the dinner with that fire and the brandy. There was a temptation for the doctor to keep this luxurious life on and keep Triky as a guest in the surgery. But considering the fact that the lady was really not able to put up without the dog, the doctor thought otherwise, and he decided on the contrary. He telephoned her that the dog was fully fit and she could come to the surgery and take the dog away. Let us read further. Within minutes, about 30 feet of gleaming black metal drew up outside the surgery. So, a car of black color within minutes came there. The chauffeur opened the door and I could just make out the figure of Mrs. Pumphrey almost lost in the interior. Her hands were tightly clasped in front of her. Her lips trembled. "Oh, Mr. Harriet, do tell me the truth. Is he really better?" "Yes, he is fine. There is no need for you to get out of the car. I'll go and fetch him." I walked through the house into the garden. A mass of dogs was hurling round and round the lawn, and in their midst, ears flapping, tail waving, was the little golden figure of Tricky. In 2 weeks, he had been transformed into a lithe, hard-muscled animal. He was keeping up well with the pack, stretching out in great bounds, his chest almost bursting the ground. I carried him back along the passage to the front of the house. The chauffeur was still holding the car door open, and when Tricky saw his mistress, he took off from my arms in a tremendous leap and sailed into Mrs. Pumphrey's lap. She gave a startled "oh" and then had to defend herself as he swarmed over her, licking her face, barking. During the excitement, I helped the chauffeur to bring out the beds, toys, cushions, coats, bowls, none of which had been used. As the car moved away, Mrs. Pumphrey leaned out of the window. Tears shone in her eyes. Her lips trembled. "Oh, Mr. Harriet," she cried, "how can I ever thank you? This is a triumph of surgery." So this was indeed the triumph of surgery. There is no doubt in it. It was also the triumph of the tactfulness of the doctor. See how tactful the doctor was. He kept the mistress happy as well as he improved the dog. There were instances where other doctor could have lost temper, but he didn't. दूसरा कोई डॉक्टर होता तो गुस्सा हो सकता था इस लेडी के व्यवहार से। ये नहीं हुआ। इन्होंने इतना चालाकी से उसकी अमीरी की सारी चीजें यूज भी कर ली और डॉगी को भी ठीक कर दिया जो उसकी रिक्वायरमेंट्स थी। तो इस तरह से we conclude this lesson. I am really thankful to you for having joined me for this beautiful story. Here I complete the story. For your doubts, you can always come back to me. Keep doing exercises. Do not forget to learn the word meanings. Thanks for joining. Thank you.